Hi, this is Tim Shelton with the Timmons Group. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the reverse route function of the Roads and Highways toolbar. I'm showing you ArcGIS desktop version 10.7.1 with some North Carolina Department of Transportation sample data for this video. So the reverse route tool is handy when you need to change the measure direction from whatever it is currently to be the opposite direction. So typically when you load routes or when you create new routes, your measure direction will be the same as your digitized direction. They don't have to be the same. They can be different for any number of reasons. And reverse can be handy if you need to change this measure direction in the chance that it doesn't match digitization and you want it to. And remember, the measure direction is what's important as far as the rest of the Roads and Highways software is concerned. So let's take a look at an example route. So if we select this route here, we can see that there's a small black arrow down here. So this arrow is on my centerline feature class. So what that tells me is I might want to take a look at this because the centerline is drawn from north to south. And my business rules say that the routes should all be drawn away from the route that they intersect. So this route should start here and be measured south to north. So we'll check this with the identify LRS route location. So we can see measure 0.124. And now here, 0.009. So this measure is lower, so we know this route goes from north to south. So I'd like to reverse this. This is one of the more simple tools in the Roads and Highways toolbox. As you'll see, we'll just choose reverse route. And the only information we have to give it is the start date. So we'll double click to say today. And then we have to give it the route ID. So we'll choose this route from the map. We'd like to lock the route. We leave this unchecked because we do want to apply event measure behaviors. When I click OK, the software will go and process that reverse. And then we'll check those measures again to make sure we got what we expected. So down here, 008, and up here, 127. So I'm seeing some retired data here, likely because my temporal definition query is off. So let's reestablish that and check again. Okay, so 0.01 here, 0.124 here. So we know this reverse worked correctly. So now the measures increase from south to north, but the centerline direction is still north to south. So if I want, I can flip that as well so that everything matches. I'll do that with regular editing tools. I'll select centerline. I'll just right click and flip. So now you can see my centerline geometry. The arrow at the end points to the north. We verified the measures go from south to north. So this route is in accordance with my business rules now. If I wanted to go further, I would probably also reverse and then flip the centerline geometry on this route because these two terminate here. Thanks for watching.